Imagine that you walk into a quiet room. On the table there sits a small, featureless, lifeless box. No sound. Nothing to suggest what is inside that box. Inside that box is a cat. And quantum physics says that the cat is both alive and dead at the same time. This idea comes from a thought experiment called as the Schrodinger's cat. It was never meant to describe reality literally. It was meant to challenge how absurd and bizarre quantum physics becomes when applied to everyday life. Quantum particles. They live in a state of superposition of states, multiple possible states simultaneously at the same time. And the reality never takes shape until the particle is observed. It is only when the particle is observed that the reality takes shape and settles into one of those multiple possible states. And this is called as quantum collapse. But this is not about cats, nor so much about physics. It is about us. The deeper message here is about uncertainty, because in real life, we constantly find ourselves in these in between states. Do I do this or do I do that? Do I go here or do I go there? Do I choose this career path or do I choose the other career path? Which option is better for me? Right? Nothing quite feels fully settled or certain, and we hover in this foggy space of what could be. And very often, we stay there. Why? Because we are scared. We're scared that if we make one choice, if we choose one option, we are losing the other ones. And what if other ones turn out to be the better options? And what happens is that this state of analysis paralysis holds our life back. And in the state of analysis paralysis, we keep weighing different options. We want to take our time to think to make sure that we choose the right option. But in that overthinking, life becomes frozen. So, the Schrodinger's cat is not just physics, it is us. Every delayed choice, every avoided decision that we did not make is holding our life back. So the box is not in the lab anymore. Instead, it is right here. It is our mind. And the longer we keep it closed, the longer we stay in that state of multiple possibilities that never become reality. So the question is not which option is right, but the real question is, are you going to open the box or are you going to stay frozen in the state of multiple possibilities that never become reality?